still have lipstick on with you?
No.
Okay. Give us kisses. Kisses, boy. Alright! Today, we are back with Princess Luke.
That's Lucifer.
Is Lucifer on a normal, regular basis? But today, we doing his makeup.
She's been begging me to do this for a long time. And I don't know why I gave in. I'm gonna regret this so much. This is going out to public, and everyone, all my friends and everyone knows me is gonna see me wearing makeup.
At least you're gonna look good. At least I know what I'm doing.
That's true. I kind of messed your
You
face up.
fucked me up so bad.
Oh my god.
If you guys missed that video, it is linked down below. Go watch that one. He does my makeup. And not only that, he does it in alphabetical order to fuck him up even more. And there's a Cody hair, like, in my face here.
It's everywhere.
Yes. The only thing that I'm scared of that's different is I've never done a guy's makeup. So, like, yes, I know what I'm doing.
In the way and shit? Like,
It is. Like, I've never done a guy's makeup, so I don't really know. I know what I'm doing,
also, hold on. Like, can this shit be, like, removed, like, quickly? Like, it's not gonna stay on for a couple days?
No. I'll give you I'm not gonna do any prep stuff so that it isn't, like, meant to last.
Okay.
And
so I was like, if I like it wipes off and then like next day, like if I'm at like if it's still like eyeliner or something still there, no. Someone's gonna notice.
No, I'm gonna give you a makeup wipe right after, and you can take it off like immediately. You're pretty fucking white.
Thank you. It's been winter. I haven't been in the sun.
It's been winter. You're always fucking white.
That's true. I can't believe this is happening. This is so hard for me right now. Like, you don't. Okay.
I gave him macaroni, and then we're gonna go get steaks after. That's his reward for this pain.
Food or beer will make me do anything.
Yeah. Okay. Close your eyes.
This is strange. I feel like a 12-year-old girl has like sleepover.
This is gonna be fucking great.
She's asked me so many fucking times to do this, and I've always said no. And I guess she just caught me in a good mood today. And I felt bad because I messed her face up, so.
Yeah, I let that shit go out, so.
Yeah, it's only, I guess if she can let that go out, I can do this.
As long as there's steak, beer, and macaroni. Dude, I just had like the gnarliest double chin right here. Yeah, I'm an actual makeup artist, so I can do it with you facing forward. I had to face certain ways for you because you like already don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
I had to make sure I was in proper position.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
You can put it lower. It's fine. Just have it be comfortable. So are we gonna get these eyebrows on? How does Khloe Kardashian do it? Flake!
That's scary. Please don't ever do that again.
Doing it for the video.
Do it for the bite. I have bushy eyebrows.
You do. They're gonna be some big ass eyebrows right now. You're gonna be one of those bitches.
I hate myself.
The look you have on the camera when you said that was fucking priceless.
The whole point of life.
These are some big ass brows.
Cause like naturally I just want to look, cause I always look at that, cause I always have to look at myself in the mirror to like see if like everything's okay. Like,
everything is not okay.
No, legit, like I probably have a problem. Like I sit in the mirror a lot. Like anytime I see a reflection, I'm like looking at a reflection of like me.
So you guys, I live under a rock, so I didn't even know about Eminem and MGK's feud until like a week ago. When I texted him, I was like, dude, MGK puts like, Eminem in the trash. She's like, you're an idiot.
Yeah. Well, like, Eminem's just way more lyrical and, like, way more deep. And, like, fucking, like, MGK, like, said some fucking stupid shit, too. And, like, your beard's weird. Like, the fuck? I don't know. I respected fucking Eminem's verse a lot better. MGK, he's kind of just, like, a wannabe.
Well, he got to hang out with Bam Margera the other day, so.
Oh, yeah. And he's in the fucking Dirt movie.
That's why I like him, because he plays Tommy Lee.
Oh, no fucking wonder why you think his is, like, the best.
Dude, I literally have my father's double chin.
See, like, a beard is makeup for men.
It is.
I'm probably... No, I've seen... It's been a while since I've had no facial hair. I still see pictures. I don't look
That's
that
when
bad.
you look like a turtle. His nickname is Turtle.
Turtle. Turtle.
God, your eyes are gonna be popping.
What kind of laugh was that? Why do you want to do my makeup like that?
I've never done a guy's makeup before, so honestly, it could be somebody else other than you. I'm still gonna be excited, but.
Wow, way to make me not feel special.
But you didn't let me finish. But you're obviously the one that I would want to do. I just never thought it would happen.
Neither did fucking I. We're already halfway through 2019. What the fuck?
I know. It's kind of like deep anal.
Very much like deep anal.
You gotta do that. Why can I never find the brush that I want?
Probably because you have 15,000 fucking brushes.
This isn't that many.
And there's a whole other one over there.
SpongeBob. No. Yeah, Beverly.
He was like, what are you doing to his face?
You're very handsome.
Thank you. This feels wrong.
I need to do this look on myself. I'm liking these fucking colors that I'm putting on you right now.
Don't be hating, bitch.
Dude, can we vlog you going to the grocery store like this?
No. Fuck no. Hell to the no. To the no. I know
Dude,
everyone
you know
everywhere.
how fucking amazing that would be? You might have to take one for the team. I will. You can pick how ridiculous you want me to go, and let's go together ridiculous. I think the lashes are gonna be my favorite part.
Oh god, I didn't even think of lashes. Oh, fucking lipstick too? Oh my god, I really didn't even think of that either. Supporting Pride and shit, because isn't Pride coming up?
It's Pride Month all month.
Yeah, see? Supporting Pride. I got 2 gay uncles, I went to SPA, a bunch of gay friends. I still have a bunch of gay friends, the transgender friends. Fuck yeah. Be you, do you. Whatever fucking makes you happy, fuck everyone else.
So you'll publicly humiliate me with no problem whatsoever.
Well, yeah. That's how this works.
Whatever.
I publicly humiliate myself enough on my own. I don't really need any more help.
But like, you're so pretty. What the fuck?
I'm so scared. Like, I don't even know what to imagine, like, really. I imagine, like, what you wear.
Your nose is crooked.
Yeah, because I got kicked in the face and they broke it. Like, so when, like, I got jumped. I was in Arizona with Manny. We were at Donovan and John's house, and they jumped Donovan. And it was, like, literally, like, 12 fucking, like, kids. Like, they weren't kids. They were, like, 18, 19, but it's, like, fucking 12 of them, and they're jumping Donovan. He's on the ground being stomped out, and, like, Manny and his brother are just sitting there, like, not doing shit. I'm like, well, fuck that. So I ran in to help, and, like, fucking I'm finding, like, 1,200 guys. Not 1,200, but 12.
Come on, you're
Nah, when I jump...
exaggerating!
Yeah. But I jump in, and, like, I'm, like, swinging at every guy, and fucking I'm getting hit left, right, back, the front, like, all over from every angle. I'm getting hit in the head. And I finally got hit, like, good, and I fucking dropped on the ground, and I went to get up, and the guy just fucking ran up and kicked me dead in my fucking face. And then, like, I thought he broke it, but I was like, oh, like, it doesn't hurt too bad. And I was like, maybe it's not, but it was, like, super swollen, like, it was swollen for, like, a week or so, and, like, right when all the swelling went down, I walked by a mirror, and I was like, hold the fuck up. And I looked again, I was like...
You are so pretty, I love it. Go on.
Yeah, so I was like, what the fuck? I was like, they really did break my fucking nose. And now I have a fucking crooked nose.
Well, welcome to the club. Ow.
That's fucking hard.
I know. Sometimes it makes your eyes fucking pop. So this is amazing.
I think this is actually the most like nervous part for me is eyelashes. I don't know why.
Really?
Like putting them on, like wearing fake eyelashes. Like I think that's
it's gonna feel really weird.
I feel like that's just like the most like demasculating part of it. Like, it's like that's when it's like real.
Close.
It's gonna be weird. This is gonna be so weird. What the fuck? Why am I doing this? This is horrible.
Okay, open. Look all the way up.
This is what the. How? I can like see them.
Yeah.
It looks like I have like because in my vision it just looks like a unibrow. How do y'all do this? This is like the most uncomfortable thing for my eyes. Like but I'm not gonna be drunk.
Which one, guys? Which one?
What are you thinking?
Slightly pork.
I can't believe this.
Come on, we're almost done.
I'm
We're
trying.
like
I'm
2
trying.
seconds from being done.
I'm genuinely trying.
Okay, rub that together.
Good.
That was too much. That was not. It wasn't too much. It was just overboard. I don't know. I think we're done.
Oh my god. No, I looked like Mrs. Doubtfire. I feel like Mrs. Doubtfire.
You look like the young James Charles, like right when he started.
Damn, my eyes do be popping though.
I know.
Like the color, like my actual color of my eye.
I know. It's fucking dope.
Oh my god, it's scarier in the real mirror. Those eyebrows though. I'm like twitching. I legit hate myself.
Dad would be prettier. Looks a lot more manly than Dad.
This is horrible.
It looks fucking dope though.
Oh, like Ian? Remember Ian?
I didn't do a good job on Ian. I did it way too fast because his kids were running around too much.
Oh my god, this is ridiculous.
Oh, how pretty!
I know, it looks good.
I got good eyes though. Like I'll give myself that.
Would you do you?
No. Not at all. This is so weird. I don't understand how you guys wear fucking eyelashes.
Oh, I know, right?
This is ridiculous.
I love them.
I hate them. I can't do it.
I feel like I can't, like my eyes aren't open all the way. Like
It's
I
not a girl
see
thing,
like
it's a special girl thing, because I hate them.
Yeah. You know those
You have pretty eyes though.
Oh, he does.
Yeah.
I never knew he had such pretty eyes.
See?
Till you see, till they're embellished.
Dude,
I never knew they were so blue.
That's so weird.
let's go to the store like this.
He's falling in love with his own eyes.
I know.
Hey, low key, like if I just covered everything, but like.
Yeah, that's dope right there.
Yeah.
That's actually we need a good photo of that.
Yeah.
That's fucking dope. You are a trooper. This made my day. I can't wait for this to go out. What do you guys think about Princess Luke's fucking makeup?
I guess I really fucking am a princess now.
You went from Lucifer to Princess Luke. Lost so much respect for yourself right now.
Kinda.
It's good though. It's
No,
good.
it's all fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. Cause this is,
At his expense.
yeah.
I sure had fun.
I'm
And he secretly likes it. He likes his eyes right now.
The eyes, hell yeah. Like, if I saw just these eyes, and maybe like the eyebrows weren't as thick, like, I'd tap that. For sure. But
Alright, thank you guys for watching another Lucifer video. I think we're gonna start.
making vlogs.
Yes.
Doing crazy shit.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking random. What do you guys want to see? If you want to see any funny videos, let us know. And
Look at you taking over the fucking video. There you go. Good job. You're a better YouTuber than I am. I never know what to say.
I watch a lot of fucking drifters and shit, and they vlog, and so, like, I don't know, I guess pick it up naturally, know what to do. But
The goal is Viva La Bamish.
yeah.
It's probably gonna be so unbelievably not like that.
I think it's just gonna
But-
be a mix of like a lot of stuff. Just random and cool and fun and like stuff like this. Just
Who knows? Who fucking knows?
yeah, give us ideas. Maybe we'll do them if you're lucky.